tulungan.
Oo nga. May alam kami school.
Saan?
Eto, panuorin mo to. Boom! Shakalakala! Kaboom! Shakala! Boom! Shakala! Boom!
Good morning. Mount Carmel College is a prelature Catholic educational institution in the prelature of Infanta. So this is a Catholic institution living out the role as an evangelistic agent of the prelature of Infanta in building the church of the poor.
The library
is air conditioned, comfortable,
rich in resources.
relatable, best features ng Basic Education Library ay ang ating attractive storytelling room. At saka, ang library ay air-conditioned, no? So, fully furnished siya with books and other printed materials, no?
Napakaganda talaga dito sa chemistry laboratory natin. Tapos ito, meron tayo mga equipment na igagamit ng bawat estudyante at may-enjoy nila. Tayo maggamit pa natin dito naka-display na surely matututo tayo. Oo nga! Tayo mo! Ito may galing-galing talaga.
Ang biology laboratory.
Dito makikita ang mga katawan ng animal! Ayan, nakita mo na! Oo. Meron pa! Kapangyarihan ng araw! Taglay! Ay liwanag! Boom tiyaya, boom tiyaya, boom, yeah, yeah, boom! You! And! Ano yan?
How is it going to be a Mount Carmel teacher? Is it happy?
Ano? Ano yun? Ano yun? Bakit ulit mo yung tanong?
How is it going to be a teacher? Is it happy?
Yes, of course. It is happy to become a teacher. As we all know, teaching is a novel profession. So we are very happy to deal with a lot of students, especially when we share knowledge to everyone.
Patikim pa lang yun. At ito pa. No, wala. Ayun.
Kicking lyrics right through your brain. When you hear the sign, you be right as rain.
Kompleto tayo ng emergency medication. At the same time, ang school natin malapit sa hospital, Aurora Memorial Hospital, na kung saan I can transfer the patients needs to be hospitalized in a matter of 5 minutes lang.
Officer of the Student Affairs sa Basic Education Department, unang-una, siya ang mayroong direktang responsibilidad sa mga student activities, clubs, and organizations. Sa ibang mga paaralan, siya ang nagsisilbing advisor ng student government or student council. Pero sa atin, meron tayo iwalay na advisor. Pero when it comes to coordination, planning, assessment of different student activities, so that is the responsibility of the Officer of the Student Affairs. And at the same time, part pa rin ng trabaho ng OSA ang discipline. Pero hindi dapat nakakonsentrate ang OSA sa discipline lang. Kapag sinabi natin student affairs, lahat ng mga student concern.
Oo nga. Watch this.
At
Ang estudyante ng Carmel ay
Nakaibigan.
magalang, matyaga, matalino, lugin, matapang,
O, edi saan ka na mag-aaral?
sa tingin ko, dito na lang ako mag-aaral.
Tama! Dito ka na lang, mas maganda rito.
So, paano ba yan? Tapos na ang ating misyon, mga brad.
Tama!
Check! So, bye-bye you!
Bye-bye!